This is the Advantage DX-11000-WD, our toughest 4-post lift, assembled right here in Warren, Ohio. Whether you're maintaining a classic car, storing your daily driver, or looking to make more space in your garage, the WD gives you the confidence to lift safely and securely. The WD has an 11,000-pound lifting capacity, giving you the versatility to handle everything from compact cars to full-size trucks. The overall length is 215 inches, and the overall width is 124 inches. Each post stands 105 inches tall, and with the lift fully raised and resting on the top lock, you'll have about 82 inches of clearance underneath, plenty of room to walk or work comfortably. The WD uses a mechanical locking system with a secondary slack cable safety lock, giving you 2 layers of protection every time you lift. Heavy-duty box steel construction provides long-term strength, while the durable powder-coated finish helps protect against corrosion and wear. Every Advantage DX-11000-WD comes equipped with a set of drip trays, wheel chocks, automatic engaging wheel stops, a mobile caster kit, and an ETL-recognized power unit. The Advantage DX-11000-WD, assembled in America and built for quality, safety, and strength. Order yours today at realgaragelife.com.